Learn the alphabet.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.
Learn the alphabet sounds. A. Ant. B. Butterfly. C. Cat. D. Dog. E. Elephant. F. Fish. G. Goat. H. Horse. I. Iguana. J. Jaguar. K. Kangaroo. L. Lamb. M. Monkey. N. Nighthawk. O. Octopus. P. Penguin. Q. Quail. R. Rabbit. S. Snake. T. Turtle. U. Unicorn. V. Vulture. W. Whale. X. X-ray fish. Y. Yak. Z. Zebra. Amazing! Good job! Goodbye and see you next time! Learn the alphabet! Hello kids! Today, we are going to learn the alphabet. Are you ready, kids? Let's begin. This is letter A. A is for apple. What letter is this? A. Very good. This is letter B. B is for ball. What letter is this? B. Very good. This is letter C, and C is for cat. What letter is this? C. Very good. This is letter D. D is for dog. What letter is this? D. Very good. This is letter E. E is for ears. What letter is this? E. Very good. This is letter F. F is for flowers. What letter is this? F. Very good. This is letter G. G is for girl. What letter is this? G. Very good. This is letter H. H is for helicopter. What letter is this? H. Very good. This is letter I, and I is for ice cream. What letter is this? I. Very good. This is letter J, and J is for jump. What letter is this? J. Very good. This is letter K, and K is for kangaroo. What letter is this? K. Very good. This is letter L, and L is for lion. What letter is this? L. Very good. This is letter M, and M is for money. What letter is this? M. Very good. This is letter N, and N is for nuts. What letter is this? N. Very good. This is letter O, and O is for octopus. What letter is this? O. Very good. This is letter P, and P is for pencil. What letter is this? P. Very good. This is letter Q, and Q is for queen. What letter is this? Q. Very good. This is letter R, and R is for rabbit. What letter is this? R. Very good. This is letter S, and S is for sun. What letter is this? S. Very good. This is letter T, and T is for toys. What letter is this? T. Very good. This is letter U, and U is for umbrella. What letter is this? U. Very good. This is letter V, and V is for violin. What letter is this? V. Very good. This is letter W, and W is for water. What letter is this? W. Very good. This is letter X, and X is for X-ray. What letter is this? X. Very good. This is letter Y, and Y is for yarn. What letter is this? Y. Very good. This is letter Z, and Z is for zebra. What letter is this? Z. Very good. Amazing. Good job. Remember, the alphabet is the first step in becoming a great reader and writer. Keep practicing and you'll be spelling words next time. Goodbye and see you next time.
A. Alligator. B. Ball. C. Car. D. Drum. E. Elephant. F. Fingers. G. Goat. H. Hat. I. Ice cream. J. Juice. K. Kitten. L. Light bulb. M. Money. N. Numbers. O. Olive oil. P. Penguin. Q. Quilt. R. Ribbon. S. Sail. T. Tongue. U. Umbrella. V. Vase. W. Window. X. Xylophone. Y. Yo-yo. Z. Zipper.
Hello, children. Welcome to Teacher Mommy Cris channel. Today we are going to learn the alphabet by playing a game. You need to identify the object and choose the correct letter that starts with that object. Let's start. What is that object? That is an apple. Where does apple starts with? Does it starts with letter A or letter B? What do you think? Where does it starts with? Apple starts with letter A. Yay! Very good. On to the next one. What is that object? That is a ball. Where does ball starts with? Does it starts with letter A or does it starts with letter B? What do you think? Ball starts with letter. It starts with letter B. Very good. On to the next one. What is that animal? That is a cat. A cat starts with letter C or letter D. What do you think? Cat starts with letter C. That's right. On to the next one. What is that animal? That is a dog. Dog starts with letter. Does it starts with letter C or letter D? What do you think? Where does it starts? It starts with letter D. Very good. On to the next one. What is that thing? Those are eggs. Where does egg starts with? Does it starts with letter E or does it starts with letter F? What do you think? Egg starts with letter E. It starts with letter E. Very good. On to the next one. What is that animal? That is a fish. Where does fish starts with? Does it starts with letter E or does it starts with letter F? Fish starts with letter F. It starts with letter F. Good job. On to the next one. What is that object? That is a gift. Where does gift starts with? Does it starts with letter G or it starts with letter H? What do you think? Gift starts with letter G. That's right. It starts with letter G. Very good. On to the next one. What is that animal? That is a horse. Where does horse starts with? Does it starts with letter G or with letter H? What do you think? Where does it start? It starts with letter H. That's right. You're doing great.
ABCDEFG HIJKLMNOP QRSTUV WXYZ. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing it?
Which of the objects below are circle? Oops! Wait a minute! Let's check your answer after our lesson today. Are you ready, kids? Let's start. We are the shapes. I am square and I have 4 equal sides. Box is a square. Window is a square. Dice is a square. What shape am I? Square. Very good. Which of the objects below are square? Picture frame, gift, and calendar are the correct answers. I am triangle and I have 3 equal sides. Tent is a triangle. Cheese is a triangle. Ice cream cone is a triangle. What shape am I? Triangle, that's right. Which of the objects below are triangle? Christmas tree and pyramid are the correct answers. I am rectangle. I have 2 longer sides and 2 shorter sides. Door is a rectangle. Notebook is a rectangle. Ruler is a rectangle. What shape am I? Rectangle, correct. Which of the objects below are rectangle? Bed, envelope, and cell phone are the correct answers. I am circle and I don't have corners. Yarn is a circle. Watermelon is circle. Donut is circle. What shape am I? Circle, very good. Which of the objects below are circle? Orange and wheel are the correct answers. Good job, kids! Now let's go back to the first question. Which of the objects below are circle? Did you get it right, kids? Ball is circle. Clock is circle. Coin is circle. Now, let's review the colors. Red. Apples are red. Strawberries are red. Cherries are red. Roses are red. Tomatoes are red. Chilies are red. Yellow. Sun is yellow. Bananas are yellow. Stars are yellow. Mangoes are yellow. Dog is yellow. Corns are yellow. Bee is yellow. Lemon is yellow. Blue. Whale is blue. Water is blue. Clouds are blue. Blueberries are blue. Balloons are blue. Ribbon is blue. These are the primary colors. Now, let's review the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Good job! Goodbye and see you next time, kids! Subscribe for more videos!